Hi, I'm Jarrett from Stone Soup Farm, and this is how to grow eggplants. Eggplants are a cold-hating crop. They will die if they ever experience a frost. So it's best to plant them in the spring after all danger of frost has passed. Best is if you can do it in a raised bed like this one, where you've got the soil nice and well tilled, nice and fluffy. It'd be good to incorporate as much compost or manure as you can beforehand. And plant in rows about 18 inches apart for eggplants, one seed each hole in about half an inch deep of soil. Make sure you water them well while they're growing and keep them free of weeds as much as possible. Once they get big, they start to flower and they produce these eggplants. To harvest eggplants, it's best to use clippers because their stems are quite woody and can also be a little bit thorny. You just clip them off. It's good to get nice and young ones like this before they get too old. Eggplant is actually eaten unripe. This is an unripe fruit of the eggplant. And if you don't get them on time, you end up with these overgrown big ones like this, and they start to have this discoloration and they start to shrivel and get a little gunky in there. And that's a ripe fruit, but that's not really what we want. So it's good to get them early, but they can get about twice as big as this before getting too bad. In the fall, it'll frost and all of these will be wiped out. Right after the frost, you can usually come through and get the rest of the eggplants because on the first frost, they probably won't get frostbitten inside the vegetable itself, but the plant will die and that'll be it for its life. And I'm Jarrett from Stone Soup Farm, and that's how to grow eggplants.